What's the single best concealed carry pistol for our senior citizens? That's a question that demands a serious answer, not just a list of popular guns. The good news is, I've done the homework for you. I've put together a top-tier list of the 10 best handguns specifically selected for seniors. Every firearm on this list was chosen for its blend of rock-solid reliability, manageable recoil, and real-world defensive capability. If you're looking for straight-up firearm facts without the hype and marketing fluff, you've landed in the right spot. Stick with me because this breakdown is going to give you the clarity you need to make a life-saving decision. Let's rack the slide and get into it. Number 7. The Ruger LCR in .38 Special. Coming in at number 7, we've got the Ruger LCR in .38 Special. With a street price right around $579, it hits that middle ground that works for folks on a fixed income. The LCR is an absolute featherweight, tipping the scales at just 13.5 ounces unloaded. It's built around a very short 1.87-inch barrel, which makes it incredibly easy to carry and conceal all day long without a second thought. This revolver runs on a 5-round cylinder. That gives you a capable defensive loadout while keeping the gun's profile exceptionally slim and snag-free. Its double-action trigger has a pull weight of about 10.5 pounds. That's heavy enough to provide a significant margin of safety against an accidental discharge, but it's still manageable for seniors who have maintained decent grip strength. The upside. The biggest win here is its sheer simplicity. There's no slide to fight with. That's a game changer for folks dealing with arthritis or reduced hand strength. It is incredibly lightweight at only 13.5 ounces. Operation is dead simple, with no external safeties to manipulate under pressure. And that trigger pull, while heavy, is surprisingly smooth, which helps reduce hand fatigue. The downside. You're limited to a 5-round capacity, which is on the low end for modern defensive guns. The trigger pull is both longer and heavier than what you'll find on most semi-automatics. Under stress, reloads are going to be significantly slower. Compared to a 9mm, the .38 Special is just less efficient in terms of modern ballistics. And finally, there's no accessory rail, so mounting a light or a laser isn't an option. Number 6. The Taurus GX4. Sliding into the number 6 spot is the Taurus GX4. This is a micro-compact 9mm that absolutely shines when price is a major factor. Coming in at roughly $392, it offers seniors on a tight budget a tremendous amount of capability for the money. Unloaded, it weighs about 18.5 ounces. The barrel is a compact 3.06 inches, keeping the entire package small enough for deep concealment. It feeds from a double-stack magazine, giving you an 11+1 capacity of 9mm. That is a ton of firepower in a pistol this small. The trigger has a short, tactile reset of about 0.125 inches, which makes getting fast, accurate follow-up shots a whole lot easier, even for shooters with limited dexterity. The upside, it's extremely affordable, often found under $400, and that's a big deal for those on a fixed income. Its dimensions are truly compact, at about 5.8 inches long and 4.4 inches tall, making it perfect for discreet carry. It offers best-in-class capacity at 11+1 rounds. The pistol has a clean, snag-free design that makes for a smooth draw from the holster. And the recoil, for a gun this size, is surprisingly manageable. The downside. The trigger pull is a little heavier than what you'll find on some of the more premium micro-compacts. Aftermarket support for things like holsters and sights is still growing and isn't as robust as it is for the major legacy brands. The grip is definitely on the smaller side, which might feel awkward for seniors with larger hands. And let's be honest, the fit and finish aren't as refined as what you see on higher-priced firearms. It's also a relatively new design, so its long-term reliability track record is still being written. Number 5. The SIG Sauer P365. Taking our number 5 spot is the legendary SIG Sauer P365. This one will run you about $599, placing it firmly in the mid to upper tier of the concealed carry market. What made the P365 a true game changer was its magazine. It uses a unique, modified double-stack design that packs 10+1 rounds of 9mm into a grip that's only 1 inch wide. That incredibly slim profile makes it one of the most efficient and comfortable carry guns ever designed. The frame has some brilliant ergonomic shaping that helps lock your hand into a high, firm grip. That translates directly into an easier trigger reach and better recoil control. Both are absolutely critical for seniors who might not have that iron grip they once did. The trigger pull is a consistent 5.5 pounds. It's smooth, it's predictable, and it offers just the right amount of resistance to be safe for carry without being a burden on finger strength. The slide serrations are another major win. They're aggressive enough to give you a positive grip for manipulation, but the edges are dehorned so they won't tear up your hands or snag on your cover garment. That design makes racking the slide far more manageable for older shooters who might struggle with slicker, harder-to-grip slides. The upside: you get a 10+1 capacity in an ultra-compact frame that basically disappears when you carry it. The ergonomics are absolutely top-notch, especially for a pistol this small. It ships from the factory with night sights, so there's no immediate need for an upgrade. Recoil is smooth and very manageable for its size class, and that trigger is consistent and predictable shot after shot. The downside: it definitely costs more than the budget-friendly options on our list. The recoil, while manageable, is a bit snappier than what you'd feel from a larger compact pistol. Seniors with very large hands might find the small grip a little uncomfortable. And while the slide is well designed, it still requires a moderate amount of hand strength to operate effectively. It's not the cheapest gun out there, but it delivers professional-grade performance in a micro-sized package. Number 4. The Glock 43X. Holding down the number 4 position is the Glock 43X. This slim 9mm is the perfect marriage of Glock's legendary reliability and a form factor that's tailor-made for seniors who need easy, comfortable concealment. Priced around $549, it represents the workhorse, reliability-focused middle ground of the market. What Glock did was brilliant. They took the frame of the ultra-compact Glock 43 and stretched the grip just enough to accommodate a 10-round magazine. This gives you a significant boost in capacity without making the pistol too big or bulky to carry comfortably. That single design choice created a handgun that perfectly balances concealability with shootability, and that's the sweet spot many older shooters are looking for. The upside: you get Glock's exceptional, battlefield-proven reliability. It has a slim 1.1-inch overall width, which makes it comfortable for all-day carry. The 10+1 capacity is a huge step up from older single stacks, and the trigger is consistent with every other Glock, so your training and muscle memory transfer over perfectly. The downside: that standard Glock trigger can feel a bit spongy to some shooters. The factory polymer sights are functional but basic, and most serious shooters will want to upgrade them. The recoil spring tension means slide manipulation still requires a decent amount of hand strength, and there's no loaded chamber indicator, so a visual press check is required to confirm the gun's status. Number 3. The Walther CCP M2. Securing the number 3 spot is the Walther CCP M2. This compact 9mm offers a unique engineering solution to the problem of recoil and slide manipulation. It uses a gas-delayed blowback system that dramatically softens the recoil impulse and makes the slide significantly easier to work. Priced at about $469, it's an incredible value for a pistol with this level of advanced engineering. Walther designed the concealed carry pistol from the ground up to help shooters who struggle with the controls of a standard semi-automatic. The M2 update introduced a toolless takedown feature, which makes field stripping and cleaning far simpler for seniors who might have limited hand strength or dexterity. Now, why does that gas system matter so much? It reduces the amount of force required to rack the slide by about 50%. This means chambering a round or clearing a malfunction takes noticeably less effort. The pistol also features a fixed barrel. This design improves the gun's inherent mechanical accuracy compared to more common tilting barrel designs. The upside: the slide is significantly easier to manipulate, requiring roughly 50% less force. It produces a softer felt recoil than almost any other 9mm in its class. That fixed barrel enhances its potential for accuracy. And the toolless takedown on the M2 version is a fantastic, senior-friendly feature for maintenance. The downside: the single-stack magazine limits you to an 8+1 capacity. It's a little bit heavier than some of its direct competitors. that gas system does require more frequent and diligent cleaning to maintain reliability, and at 1.18 inches wide, it's a touch thicker than the slimmest single-stack pistols out there. Number 2. The Smith & Wesson M and P Shield Plus. Coming in at number 2 is the Smith & Wesson M and P Shield Plus. The price on this one is around $553, putting it right in that mid-tier sweet spot, offering incredible value from a trusted American company. Unloaded, it weighs in at about 19.3 ounces. It sports a 3.1-inch barrel, which gives you a great balance between easy concealment and a usable sight radius. The Shield Plus uses a staggered stack magazine that gives you 10+1 rounds with the flush fit mag, or a full 13+1 with the included extended magazine. Out of the box, the sights are a standard white 3-dot setup, with factory night sight options available for those concerned about low-light encounters. The frame itself stays very thin at about 1.1 inches wide, so it remains comfortable for all-day carry, something that really matters for seniors who feel every extra ounce and sharp edge. The upside: you get a major capacity upgrade, 10+1 or 13+1, while keeping that classic concealable shield footprint. The trigger is excellent, with a clean break and a short positive reset for faster follow-up shots. The slide spring weight is tuned perfectly to be reliable without requiring excessive force to rack. It's a very accurate platform for a micro-compact. And its thin profile makes it exceptionally comfortable for concealed carry over long periods. The downside: the grip is a little wider than the original single-stack shield, which might affect certain deep concealment methods. Aftermarket support, while growing, isn't quite as vast as it is for the older shield models just yet. The standard white dot sights are pretty basic. You'll have to pay extra for the night sight models. And like any micro-compact, the recoil is a bit snappier compared to larger pistols. Number 1. The SIG Sauer P365 XL. Topping our list, the number 1 choice is the SIG P365 XL. The price tag is around $679, so it definitely sits at the premium end of the concealed carry market. Unloaded, it weighs about 20.7 ounces. The frame maintains that slim 1.1-inch width while packing a standard 12+1 rounds in its flush-fit magazine. You can also bump that up to 15+1 with an optional extended mag. Right out of the box, the XL ships with SIG's X-ray 3-day/night sights, which are outstanding in all lighting conditions. But the real game changer here, especially for older shooters, is the factory-milled slide cut for a red dot optic. This cut allows you to directly mount a micro red dot sight without needing any adapter plates or expensive gunsmithing. For seniors who may be struggling with aging eyes and focusing on traditional iron sights, a red dot is a revolutionary upgrade. It allows you to stay target-focused and makes getting fast, precise hits dramatically easier. The trigger is a flat-faced X-series style, which is noticeably more comfortable on arthritic fingers compared to some of the more curved or aggressive trigger shoe designs. The upside: it offers a near-perfect balance of shootability and concealability for older carriers. A generous 12+1 round capacity is standard, with 15+1 available. The factory optics cut for direct mounting a red dot is a massive advantage for aging eyes, and that flat X-series trigger is ergonomic and comfortable for all-day range sessions. The downside: it has a higher price point than many other compacts. It's slightly longer than a true micro-compact, which could affect some deep concealment options. Premium magazines and accessories also come with a premium price tag, and some shooters find the recoil spring to be a bit stiff right out of the box until it's properly broken in. If this breakdown helped you gain some clarity, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps more responsible citizens find the practical advice they need to stay safe. Hit that like button, share this video with other shooters you care about, and drop a comment letting me know which of these handguns you're considering. Train smart, stay safe, and remember, age gives you an advantage in judgment. Make sure your defensive tools are just as sharp,